Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you missed last week's video, go check it out. We went over the details of our tire protection plan. Today, we're continuing our focus on tire care. Ever feel your car pulling or noticing a shake in the steering wheel? Well, we're answering your questions about wheel alignment and tire balancing. Let's get started.
So what's the difference between tire balancing and wheel alignment anyways?
Tire balancing deals with the weight of your wheels, making sure it's evenly distributed. Wheel alignment is about adjusting the angles of your wheels so they point correctly. They solve different problems, but both affect your ride.
Why does my steering wheel shake sometimes?
A shaking steering wheel, especially at highway speeds, usually means your tires are out of balance. Tiny weight differences in the tire and wheel assembly cause vibrations.
So what are some signs that my car may need a wheel alignment?
If your car pulls to one side, your steering wheel isn't straight when you're driving straight, or you see uneven tire wear, those are strong indicators that you might need an alignment. Sometimes you might also hear squealing tires when turning.
Do I really need an alignment after I hit a pothole?
Yes, hitting a pothole, even a small one, can knock your wheels out of alignment. It's always a good idea to get it checked, especially if you notice any of the signs that we just talked about.
What happens if my tires are out of balance?
If your tires are out of balance, you'll likely feel vibrations, especially in the steering wheel, seat, or floorboards. Over time, it can also lead to uneven or premature tire wear.
What causes a car's alignment to go out?
The most common causes are hitting potholes, bumping into curbs, or running over road debris. Normal wear and tear on suspension components can also cause alignment to drift over time or anytime you make a repair to your suspension or steering system.
So is it just about comfort, or are these services actually important for my car?
They're definitely important for more than just comfort. Proper wheel alignment and tire balancing are crucial for safe handling, preventing uneven tire wear, and even improving fuel efficiency. But most importantly, they're a key part of preventative maintenance, which all of last month we went over preventative maintenance for your vehicle. Go check them out. By catching these issues early, you prevent unnecessary stress on your suspension and other components, which saves you from repairs down the road. It also ensures you get the full life out of your tires.
So how often should I get my tires balanced and wheels aligned?
As a general rule, you should consider wheel alignment every 12 months or every 12,000 miles, whichever comes first. Tire balancing is often done when you get new tires or during routine tire rotations, typically every 6,000 miles. However, if you notice any of the warning signs we discussed, it's best to get it checked sooner.
What kind of equipment do you use for alignments and balancing?
At Myles Auto Care and Transmissions, we use state-of-the-art alignment and balancing equipment. This ensures we can accurately adjust your wheel angles to the factory specifications and precisely balance your tires for a smooth and safe ride. Hopefully that answers your questions about wheel alignment and tire balancing. Remember, these services are key to a comfortable ride, tire longevity, and most importantly, your safety on the road. If you're experiencing any of these issues or it's time for a checkup, schedule an appointment with our expert technicians at Myles Auto Care and Transmissions. We have 4 convenient Berks County locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. We're here to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Next week, we'll be discussing the importance of tire tread depth and tire pressure. We'll see you next time.